Let me just show you the game tool that comes with ColorOS 14. What you're looking at is like the launcher for games that are being suggested by this application. However, you will see that you also have the games that we have already installed, such as Genshin Impact, Karik Street Racing, PUBG Mobile, and Mobile Legends. Now, if you don't see your game listed here, just click the triple dot right here and then go to Manage My Games. And from here, you can toggle the game that you like to enable the game optimization. And what that does is it will enable a game toolkit, which you can access by swiping from the edge while you're in game. And this option right here will declutter your system, basically hiding all the games. And instead, you will be able to access your game from here. So let's just disable that. And now all your games should be back to normal. Makes sense? There are also other in-game tweaks such as answering calls on speakerphone. Then you can hide the notifications, completely block them, or you can make them come out in like a heads up window. Like you can see the animation being shown, or it can appear as a bullet. Next, you have quick startup, which allows you to quickly launch games by caching some of the data. Then you have championship mode, which basically optimizes the system to run just a single game in the foreground. So it's gonna block everything else, such as alarms, calls, notifications, etc. And the performance improvements are also gonna be tuned for your game. There's like a shadow over to your top left edge. And if you swipe that, it will bring up the game panel. It is currently set to Pro Gamer mode, which means all the resources are allocated to bring the best possible gaming experience on this phone. Brightness is already locked. There's championship mode, which we mentioned earlier. Call blocking. You can also take screenshots and screen recordings from here. You get orientation locks, voice changer. Okay. Then what else? There are a bunch of stuff, but our favorite tool is system status, which displays like real-time frame rate as well as GPU and CPU utilization. But the real-time frame rate is very, very useful, especially when we're doing our benchmarks. Then, of course, you can access your messaging apps, browser, YouTube, video players, whatever, in a smaller window. So it allows you to continue playing while multitasking at the same time. And of course, one of the cool things with ColorOS is that you should be able to run certain games in a smaller window. So this is how you do it. Okay. You bring up the task manager and you tap on floating window. And essentially what that will do is it'll continue running the game in a smaller window. And then we can launch another game. Bam. See that? So right now we are running both Genshin Impact and Mobile Legends at the same time, but I'm seeing a slight slowdown. So since our system is trying to handle 2 games at once, if you don't have a very powerful system or if your storage is not that fast, it might struggle from time to time. So we're gonna see later if we will be able to play both Genshin Impact and Mobile Legends at the same time. Then you swipe from the bottom edge, split screen. So what that does is it allows you to run the game or multiple applications at the same time. Okay, so as you can see, Genshin is still running in the background, and then you can essentially navigate and access your system from a much bigger window. Okay, so that's pretty cool, right? Instead of launching our next game, we're gonna try to play this in a floating window, and then we're gonna launch Mobile Legends just to get a feel of the multitasking capabilities of this phone. So if you ever wanna like play a RPG or a farming idle RPG on the background, you can leave it in a floating window, and then you can do other stuff, play other games in your main window. So I can feel a bit of lag on Mobile Legends. The interface is not as smooth as it normally would be. And that is to be expected because, of course, we have Genshin Impact running on the background as well. So both games are consuming all our resources. Let's just enable our system status monitor. It's telling us that we're doing 40. Okay, yeah, now that's more realistic. 15, 20, 30 FPS.